30-30 challenge. At 30, you are old enough to look back and young enough to look forward. This is something related to your age. First 30 years relates to your working life and next 30 years relates to your life after retirement. In the first 30 years, we have a job, we are healthy, and a regular fixed income is there every month. The next 30 years, it is very crucial wherein the income stops and you are not that immune to continue working. This time, you require a lot of money for being independent, maintaining your standard of living, and achieving true financial freedom by living your life on your terms. Second innings. Often, when you think you are the end of something, you are at the beginning of something better else. A crucial innings of our life wherein we want to stop working and start on our own or follow our passion. Here we require a good financial support so as it does not hamper our other financial goals. If we start a business, we require to have a good amount so that the expenses can be borne till the time of break-even. Child planning. Children do what feels good. Adults devise a plan and follow it. We often forget to prepare a proper child financial planning, thinking that still our child is small. However, we forget to think that the child is growing, and with that all the expenses related to the child will also grow. Every year, school fees, graduation and management fees, or if we send our child to study abroad, all these requires proper planning. The planning should start when our child is born or even when the child is not yet born. Dreams and goals. The goal isn't more money. The goal is living life on our terms. An especially important factor in our life which we often forget in between our responsibilities. After a very hectic schedule, we require a break. So, planning a good vacation, purchasing our dream car, upgrading our standard of living, having a dream home are some of the happy goals we would like to achieve. Obviously, it can be done with a proper financial planning. Remember one thing, life is all about being happy, feel happy, and make others happy too. And this can be achieved to a great extent with proper goal-based financial planning. Retirement planning. Retirement is not an end but a new beginning. The question isn't at what age I want to retire. It is at what income I want to retire. Who would want to be dependent on anyone at any given point of time? When we are young, we always think that there is still time to plan for our retirement. However, due to our busy schedules and less priority to financial planning, we often forget to plan. It's very much important to plan retirement in the beginning only to make the best of compounding feature on long-term investments.
Hope you have liked this knowledge on investing. You can also buy our book Every Woman Should Invest by Alpa Shah, which is available on Amazon India, the link of which is mentioned below in the description. Please like us, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.